Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión lo está.
You are go down today now. What Mebbles? What my shirt? What is the attraction with my shirt? What is hey boy? What is the attraction with my shirt? Can I get my shirt please? Can I please have my shirt? Alright, can I have my shirt please? Mebbles, my shirt is not for that activity. Can I get my shirt? Can I have my shirt? Give me my shirt. Can I get my shirt? Can I get my shirt, please? Thank you. Can I get my shirt? It is not for that activity. What you do? Brother, what you do to my shirt? Mebbles, what are you doing to my shirt? Where you gone with my shirt, dude? Dude! Yo! Bad man, what you do to the shirt? Stop it! Hey! Brother!
Yo, Nico, where you look for that? How you lost?
You know, yeah, what go on?
What go on? Where you look for, brother?
You know, you what go on, dad?
What
You
go
live
on?
in Jamaica, you know what go on? You say $5 billion gone down your drain. Come help me look for this. $5 billion gone down your drain in Jamaica, brother. Come help me look for this.
Then say boss say him fi go sleep. Sleep where? You live yard. Why your yard, man? Which part they have for you sleep? Where you have to sleep? What shed? In a which shed?
On the side.
No man, go on to your yard, man. How you fi come and work junk? How you work this brother?
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Mary! How will I do?
How are this here?
It's so wet, dog.
You don't feel the heat.
No?
You don't feel
At Christmas time now a cold breeze a blow.
So me alone I feel the Christmas heat.
Brother, how you look so?
Eh?
Man pants down on his knee, below his knees.
Cause the washing machine stretch it out.
Yo, something alright, man.
You never put in no clothes in a washing machine small and it come out back big. Hey! Never you touch Ashley.
Something alright, that's all.
Man, I have 2 laptops side there, man. How you wanna do with 2 laptops?
Something
Did I watch
alright.
show?
Which way you watch?
Planet of the Moon.
Na Christmas time.
Yeah, I best time now.
Yo,
When you
Home
white,
Alone.
eh?
Home Alone and the Grinch if you watch bad man.
Then they show the for kids. Planet of the Moon for big people.
How many never watch it?
I mean alone have it. Planet of the Moon pay me to watch it.
No, me wanna know you watch Planet of the Moon naked.
Me not naked.
You what did?
You see I drop my clothes drop off of me and it still step on my foot, that mean me have on it.
True.
So you can't come out back and see me watching show?
Well, I want to borrow the laptop.
Hey!
Let's one borrow the laptop.
Watch the TV, I wait name. So on it up and connect it and watch it. And you turn up so.
You know, I'm not about to tell you
Yeah,
Merry
man.
Christmas.
What make you do here, though?
Merry Christmas to you too.
Nah, about to tell you. We don't
Knock your
about
back
to tell you.
side door please.
We don't about to tell you.
What's the first thing you should buy a woman?
Yeah, man, Pates. I gotta ask you the worry them a question. You know, because they know them question. You know.
Watch till the end.
So Barry, before you get a new girl, what the first thing you buy her? Well, you know, Carol, I'm buy her a nice pair of earrings now and change them. Alright. When you was a taggy, when you buy her?
I can't go to the market, I go shopping, you know.
Sure.
Get some new beats and stuff.
Sure. Alright, taggy. So Punch, when you buy her?
I buy her a book and a snacks.
Sure, as cool as a bubbles and cake. Well, let me tell you this now. Me, the first thing you buy a woman is a pin. You hear? A pin. Because when you're a woman I left, man say, oh, you never buy me a pin yet. You know, say,
Yo, watch it. Oh, no, that. You want you do this and you do this and me. Do this and me, you feel a monkey. Love me, make me ride. Love me. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
What a wonder you are. Lose that shit. Lose that shit. Oh, God, man. No, man. Give me that. Oh, Jesus. Shit back over, brother. Hello. Marvin, what's up, son? Yeah, what's up, son? Oh, Jesus. Me say you gonna shop and this your out here do gamble. No, Pops. Come here, yeah. Gamble, Pops. What a wonder you are. Come here. You are brighter. No school you come from. Yeah. And you're the out here so I gamble. Yeah. Come go up to your mother. Brighter than the morning star. Come here. You are fairer. More fairer. Don't run. Do not run. Than the lily that goes by the way. Come go. You say your mother try with you. Come go. You are precious. Come here, Marvin. You wait till I reach home. More precious. Come, Mr. Come. Leave the money alone. More precious than gold. Ah, Jesus. Home.
Today one woman see me. I say, oh, my wife a Christian and I wear false here. That the woman see me and ask me.
So you're telling me, sir?
Me say, me look on her, me say then, you are Christian. Oh, you wear false teeth. Pit out the false teeth, man. And yam with your gum. False are false. False are false. If my wife can't wear false here, you can't wear your false teeth either. Pit out it.
Which is right.
Pit out that Percy clocks and
you love your hand.
And gum it. Gum that Percy clocks.
Look here. Something not sit well with me, you know. Something not sit well with me. You know people will make porridge a roadside a morning time. You know something to do with bread? With the porridge. And tea. Now I have my cornmeal porridge right here. And this is bread. What I broke up in there. Bread. Everybody knows say you have to eat porridge with bread. Me don't want a fried dumpling. I can't make my porridge. Get hard with bread. Me need my bread. You understand? Me need my bread. Bread. Tea or porridge? What do you know? What? I just out here rob people blindly. Not like that to me. So I'm just come buy porridge. Make sure I'm not gonna add more bread. Bread and porridge. No, rob me. I'm not like it. Shake up on the polyground. That is all.
So people then say when plant no want cut it shoot. So when go to an Korean yam and them fooling in shadow, look how far my park and it go time. Weird, oh God, wickedness can't done. And if me hold him and cook him now, he won't have a problem. Look how presumptuous and bright him and in dirty friend them. Jesus Christ, for my markets.
Wednesday night closet. Alright. No, I'm so far this funny. I respect the youth. Wait. Charge your way.
You reach voicemail box off.
God, you can't look at it. How would I youth here?
No, me a boom box.
Sing a song.
Play thunder. She make it roll like thunder, loud like gunshot. Baby cock up in her under, crazy me in her, and make it like.
Yo, come on, Tavis. That's what I'm telling you. Yo, come on, Tavis.
And she tell me to come up here now.